The GE AHEC05AC is a popular window air conditioner. It promises efficient cooling for small rooms. If you're considering a new AC unit, you're in the right place. This review dives into the features, performance, and value of the GE AHEC05AC. We understand choosing the right air conditioner can be tricky. That's why we're here to help you make an informed decision. The GE AHEC05AC is designed to cool small spaces quickly. It is compact, easy to install, and energy efficient. This review will cover all aspects from installation to daily use. By the end, you'll know if it's the right fit for your needs. Ready to beat the heat? Let's get started with our in-depth GE AHEC05AC review. Key features. The GE AHEC05AC is a popular window air conditioner. It boasts several key features. Let's explore its design, build quality, and control interface. Design and build quality. The GE AHEC05AC has a sleek and modern design. Its white finish complements any room decor. The air conditioner is compact and fits most windows easily. This model measures 16 inches wide, 12.5 inches tall, and 15 inches deep. It weighs about 41 pounds. Despite its small size, it is sturdy and durable. The unit is made from high-quality materials. This ensures long-lasting performance. The removable filter is easy to clean. This helps maintain the unit's efficiency. The air conditioner also comes with an installation kit. This makes the setup process simple and quick. Control and interface. The GE AHEC05AC features a user-friendly control panel. It offers 3 cooling speeds and 3 fan speeds. This allows for customized comfort. The unit also includes a 24-hour timer. This helps save energy by scheduling operation times. It has a digital thermostat. This ensures precise temperature control. The included remote control allows for easy adjustments from a distance. The LED display is bright and easy to read. This makes it simple to see the current settings. The air conditioner has an energy saver mode. This helps reduce electricity usage. The auto restart function is useful during power outages. It resumes operation at the previous settings when power returns. Cooling performance. When evaluating the GE AHEC05AC, its cooling performance stands out. This air conditioner aims to provide efficient cooling for small spaces. Let's delve into the specifics of its cooling capabilities. Cooling capacity. The GE AHEC05AC comes with a cooling capacity of 5,000 BTUs. This level of power is suitable for small rooms and apartments. It ensures a quick drop in temperature. Even on hot days, this unit delivers consistent cooling. Room coverage. This air conditioner effectively cools rooms up to 150 square feet. It maintains a comfortable temperature throughout the space, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or small living areas. Its compact design fits well in most windows, making installation simple. Energy efficiency. The GE AHEC05AC stands out not only for its cooling power, but also for its energy efficiency. This air conditioner is designed to help you save on your electric bills while keeping your space comfortable. User experience. The GE AHEC05AC air conditioner is designed with the user's comfort in mind. Its features aim to enhance daily living without adding complexity. Let's dive into the user experience aspects, focusing on the ease of installation and noise levels. Ease of installation. Installing the GE AHEC05AC is straightforward. The unit comes with clear instructions. Most users complete the setup within an hour. No special tools are needed. The provided hardware fits standard windows. This makes the process hassle-free. Even first-time installers find it manageable. Noise levels. The noise levels of the GE AHEC05AC are low. The unit operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms. During use, it emits a gentle hum. This sound is not disruptive. Users report that it does not interfere with sleep. The quiet operation enhances the overall user experience. Durability. The GE AHEC05AC is built to last. Its robust design and quality materials ensure durability. With proper maintenance, this air conditioner can serve you for many years. Here are some tips to enhance the durability of your unit. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of the unit. Keep the unit in a shaded area to prevent overheating. Ensure proper ventilation by keeping the surrounding area clear. Schedule annual professional inspections to check for potential issues. Following these tips helps extend the life of your air conditioner. Regular care ensures it stays in peak condition, providing you with reliable cooling. GE AHEC05AC review, pros and cons. Pros: portable and easy to move. Simple installation, energy efficient for small spaces, doubles as a dehumidifier. quiet operation. Cons, limited cooling for large rooms, requires a window for the exhaust hose, may need manual water drainage.